Hello. Yes, bro. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. What up, man?
Hello. Good morning to everybody. In a previous class, we are starting case statement. Here, case statement, same like a decode only, but case works with what? All SQL operators. How means today method 2 through we are learning. So now here I am telling a case method 1 column name. If column name is equal to value 1, then statements. If column name is equal to value 2, then statements. Else statements only I am telling. Now here, this is the way I am writing a what in a previous case only. Else and end part also there are not. Else and end is there. End. And now here, this is a report I am generating in a previous case. 10 means 10, 20 means 20, 30 means the others, like that only. Not only that one, and now here, yes, here, this case statement regularly used in a way roll up and cube clauses null value said along with another function grouping ID. Now here write it, that grouping ID function. Yesterday group function you know. Write it. Grouping ID. Grouping underscore ID. It's very important. Grouping ID. And now 1 minute observe here. This is experience concept only, just observe it here. Suppose in a previous classes, you have an idea. This is a department number is a column, job is a column, sum of salary, anything. This is the way we are writing a what group by clauses. Either roll up or cube clauses, you have an idea or not? Yes, you know what that is. These are the queries you have an idea. Whenever we are writing a what? N is there. No. Whenever we are writing a what, these type of queries means just yesterday I'm telling a what. Now 1 minute observe here. Yes, here. This is a report, it will be generated. If you want to display subtotal, grand total, then we are using a what? Roll up and cube. This is a 10th department subtotal, 20th department subtotal, and 30th department subtotal. Not only department wise, job subtotal, and also this is a grand total, it will display. But here, yes, I am also, you are also, developer means you are familiar, or this is a department subtotal, job subtotal, like this, understandable, but end user not understandable. That's why in place of the subtotal here, I want to display DEPT subtotal, for example, is a message. Again, in this case only here, DEPT subtotal, here job subtotal, here grand total, like this only some messages I want to display. How we are writing a what display messages means along with grouping set functions through we are using. In a previous class, I'm telling about decode function through grand total we are displaying means grouping is a function is there. No, same like grouping ID is a function is there. That grouping ID function accepts a what? A column names. Grouping columns is a parameters. Oracle provided grouping underscore ID function which accept group by class columns. Suppose department number job is there. No? These columns it will be accepts and returns a what numbers. These numbers start with 1 only. 0 means other values only. Don't worry. Suppose grouping underscore ID department number comma job is I am telling me is 1 time, 2 1 time, 3 1 time, 4 1 time, like this only it will be written based on that 1 2 3 4 5 like this values. This grouping ID function we are using in a case statement means automatically conditionally we are retrieving a displaying a what data. How and what is that one means I will tell you. Write it first, some theory, write it. This important function experience side, write it. Grouping ID. Oracle provided grouping underscore ID function which accepts group by class columns and then returns numbers. These numbers are represents subtotal, grand total. These numbers are start with 1. Now, for example, observe here, first example, observe here. Now check it out. Here, grouping underscore ID is there. Grouping underscore ID, some function is there. In this function, here, department number, for example, say department number, comma job. Suppose this grouping underscore ID function returns a 1 means what is the meaning of this one? Yes, here 1 represents a first grouping column subtotal. Here, first grouping column, which one is there? Department number. Department number subtotal, it will be represents. Suppose here it will be returns a what? 2, sometimes only 2 means second grouping column subtotal. What is the second grouping column? Job subtotal only, it will be represents. Again, it will be returns a what? 3 means third grouping column subtotal. Third grouping column subtotal, third grouping column is not there. That's why grand total it will be returned. Really, that is correct. Remaining all the values other than subtotal, grand total, remaining all the values zeros actually. Really, that is correct or not? First check it out. Just we are using a what? A grouping underscore ID like this. This advanced concept, don't worry. Here we are passing a what? Department number, job. First numbers observe it. Subtotal, grand total means numbers. Remaining all the things zeros. Okay. Yes, here. Now check it out. Observe here. Yes, here. This subtotal 10th department here 1. It will be represents or not? Yes, here 1 is represents. Here, okay, 20th department subtotal here 1. 30th department subtotal 1. And now here again, and now here job subtotal 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 like this. Here grand total, here it will be written somewhat 3. This is advanced case compared to where grouping function. Okay, yes, here. Remaining all the values other than subtotal values written somewhat 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 is there or not? Based on this 1 and 0 and 2 and 3 values based only we are writing a case statement, then automatically it will display proper messages. What is that one? I will tell you. Write it, example, write it. Fastly write it, example. grouping underscore ID, department number, comma job. Here 1, 2, 3 write it. Here 1, 2, 3 write it. Better. Now write it here. Here 1 represents first grouping column, subtotal, and also 2 represents second grouping column, subtotal. When further group by class column, further group by class columns are not available, then the next number, 3 is there in this case, then next number, write it. The next number represents grand total, grand total. Represents grand total. Okay, this query, write it here. You are checking what in your system, or maybe subtotal values 1, 2, 0, and grand total 3. It will display or not. Example. This example, write it. Roll up and queue clauses along. This one, output not. Okay, yeah. Finished up. Hello, completed? Yes. Now, based on this knowledge, what I am telling only, I'm intimating to you. In yesterday, decode order by we are using the same like in a case statement, these functions also we are using. This function return values based only when and then clause. Yesterday syntax is there. No, in this syntax as case that a grouping ID function, this function returns a 1 means yes, you have an idea department number subtotal. Here this is 2 means DEPT subtotal. Otherwise, else anything also I want to display and end. That is I'm applying only. Now check it out. Screen observed here. Just I'm applying a what grand total, a subtotal, and also so now here yes here job subtotal. This is the output. Suppose here this report is there. Roll up and cube in this important only project side in a whole app feature side. Here department subtotal is a message I want to display. Again, job subtotal only I want to display messages, and also here grand total I want to display messages. So now here how can I grouping ID function we are using? How we are using in a case statement through we are using. It could also possible in this case, don't worry. And now here case statement through I'm using. How I'm using means observe it here. Select department number, comma job, comma sum of salary. Here, case statement I am writing only. How I am writing case, don't write it here. Here case here, expression also possible here. That is the advantage. Case, not only column name, function name also possible. This function returns a what values, you have an idea. Now this function returns a what case column name, same like case x okay function. When this function returns a 1, 10 is something I'm telling you, then here in a message. What is the message? DEPT subtotal, I know. So now DEPT subtotals. DEPT subtotal. DEPT subtotal. Again, when okay, so now grouping ID returns a what 2 no. So now here is 2. Suppose the grouping ID returns 2 means when grouping ID returns 2, then here job subtotal. Here job subtotal like this. Again, here when 3, when okay, this function returns a what 3, then here grand total, no? Yes, here grand total. Okay, grand total. Again, else part I am not interested. This is optional. No? Now here end I am writing. Okay, na? Yes, here this is the way. And now check it out. End. Again, alias name I will tell you. Don't worry. And now check it out. Here this is the way I'm executing like this. Yes, automatically this is DEPT subtotal. Here DEPT subtotal. Here department subtotal and job subtotal and grand total automatically displayed or not? Yes, here this is department subtotal. Yes, here 20th department subtotal, 30th department subtotal. Here job subtotal and also grand total, it will display report or not? Yes. But unfortunately here in this case, this expression it will display in place of this total case column, just alias name we are using or not? Yes, here. That alias name is as is a keyword or without as or double quotes or without double quotes, your own wish now. Yes, here as. Just here I'm interested to display subtotals. Subtotals is a message I want to display. Now here, observe here, oh, maybe automatically, yes, here, subtotal, okay, subtotals are there or not in the column, alias. Here, DEPT subtotal and job subtotal and also grand total automatically displayed or not? Yes, that is the beauty of the where this case statement along with the function expression return value space checking only. Write it. Write a note. We can also use functions within case state. Within case state. Example. Write this one. Completed fast. Finished fast. Okay, and now, but unfortunately, in a previous case, what I'm telling now, decode function only works with a what is equal to operator, but case works with all SQL operators. I'm telling, but unfortunately, in this case, all SQL operators we are not using. This is the first method. In a second method, through all SQL operators we are using only. What is that one means? I will tell you. Write it. Method 2. Then only decode versus case. Method 2. Here case conditional statement or this is also called as what? Searched case statement. Searched case statement. Write it some theory only. This is not there in a where Oracle 8.0. Oracle 8i is a version is there. No? In that Oracle 8i version onwards, this will be there. Through this one, all SQL operators possible, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, yes, between, anything also possible. That's why Oracle 8i introduced a what? Case conditional statement. Through that one, we are using a what? In a SQL operator. So can yeah, write it fast, theory, write it. Oracle 8i, Oracle 8i introduced searched case statement. This is called searched case statement. Searched case statement. In this method, we are allowed to use all SQL operators. All SQL operators. All SQL operators. Syntax. What is the syntax means? 1 minute, observe here. Slight difference is there. Only syntax is only, you don't have an idea first time newcomer. And now check it out. Here, up to now we are using a what? This function directly. This function conditions also is equal to, less than, greater than. Okay, so these type of things we are using means not working in a very first method. That's why second method we are using. What is that one means? Here in a previous class, I'm telling you what this is syntax. Observe it here. This is a syntax you are familiar. And now check it out. This is a syntax you are familiar. But in this case, slightly different syntax. What is that one means? 1 minute, observe it here. Yes, 1 minute, observe it here. Here, case after column name, we are not allowed to use. Observe it here. Case. Remove the what? Column name. In a first method, column name is there, no, that one. When here, in a operator, in a function, anything we are using only. That's why here we are using a what? When case is there, when column condition, they're giving only. The column condition means always in a operators also possible or not. Column condition 1, then statements. Here in a operator also possible. How means I will tell you. Here, in this case, column condition 2, column condition 2, then statements. Again, when here only we are using in a single column or multiple columns. When column condition 3, then statements 3. Otherwise, this was else part, else statements end is there or not. Slight difference syntax. Write it. For example, I'm writing means then you are understandable. Write it fastly. This is such a case statement. This is also there in every database. In this method, through all the operators is possible. Completed fast. Finished. Fastly write it. And now, in a books we are referring, a simple example is there. In this method, all SQL operators possible. All SQL operators in a column conditions through. All SQL operators possible. And now here, check it out. So no, don't write it here. Observe here. Suppose best example means select star from EMP is a table. In this table, some employees are getting a salary here, because salary wise means everyone easily understandable, because all operators know here less than 1,000 salary some employees are getting. Yes, here between some salaries it will be 1,000 to 2,000 like this. Again, some special salaries are there. I am writing like this. And also son or something is there. Now check it out. I am writing a simple report only. And now here check it out. Here I'm interested to write a So now slowly observe it here. Select, don't write here, easily understandable. Select. Here E name is a column. Here salary is a column. Okay, now here I am writing a case. Don't write it, don't write here. Here column name we are not allowed to use. Okay, yes, here when here any operators also possible. Salary is less than 1,000. Then observe here in a previous case methods decode or case first statement means any less than greater than, these operators are not there. But here any operators also explicitly we are allowed to use. That is the advantage in this case. Then here low sal, here low sal like this. Low salary. Okay, I am writing a some message. Low salary like this. Now when observed here, don't write it here. In a salary between, I am writing between. In a operator, no, my own wish 1,000 and low value and high value 2,000 for example. Then medium salary, I am writing a message. Then here medium salary like this. When I am writing salary in means a list of values or not. Yes, here in operators, my own wish 2,400, maybe anything is there. I don't know. 2,850, anything, something is there in your table. 3,000 like this, anything. Here, then is a keyword here. Special salary. I am giving special salary. Okay, fine. And now else here, else I'm using here only in a message other salary like this, other salary. Here and don't forget and only from EMP. How much easy? What is my intention? Here we are using a any operators also possible in this method. Any operators also possible only. Any operators your own wish. All SQL operators not possible in a where in your decode side only is equal to, but here case statement side all SQL operators slight syntax difference only. You are familiar with this syntax, you are only telling a very easy way like this. Suppose observe here, I try to execute this one, but column condition same like where condition. Here low sal it will be displayed. Here medium salary it will display it. Here special salaries it will be displayed a message or not. Other values means other salary, automatically it will display on special salary, low salary, medium salary, like this type of messages. What is my intention? Oh, maybe now here, yes, by using a this second method, we are allowed to use all SQL operator. That is my intention. Very slowly I'm telling why, because this is case and decode is most powerful interview questions actually. Intro point of view, very important. Write it example. One example we are writing. 1 minute only. Right. Finished fast. Now here, anybody attending the what previous classes or today class, observe here, be careful. Now here, what I'm telling, case statement also we are using in a where, in a functions I'm telling. These functions conditionally we are writing means yes, here, when, after, then clause also we are allowed to use. Okay, yeah. Now here in this case, in a function mod, row num, anything we are using only. Suppose, for example, in entry question side, what is that one means? So many entries differently they're asking, but that is output I want. These questions only so many fellows are, yes, here how they are achieving, and now that doesn't know. Suppose, for example, now here, very important. Actually, here the messages I am telling just first time newcomer idea purpose here. These so now here these messages you are displaying or you are observing or not in a rows wise it will be displayed here or now here if so now here salary is less than 1,000 then here low sal in this row only this will be displayed. Same like here is message here in a column values also we are displaying. That column value row return based only that one also displayed in a where horizontally first value it will be returned. Based on that knowledge, interviewer asking a what a beautiful entry question. Suppose here, this is a what, so now table is there, for example. Now observe it here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, anything I am writing only. Observe it here, this is entry question. This one anybody telling me is really great in our class. A, B, C is a data. Again, D, E, F is a data, for example, character data, for example. Here, G, H, I is a data, for example. Now here, this is a column one. For example, your imagination here, this type of questions interviewer asking only. Now here, column one, column two, here, column three, like this. Here I want to display any records. Okay, suppose here diagonal records. Suppose here diagonal, print diagonal records only. Suppose A, E, I want to display. They're asking. Otherwise, C, G, E, I want C, E, G, I want to display. They're asking diagrammatical records. Diagonal records I want to display. Some interviewer asking only. In this case, what we are using means if you want diagrammatical diagonal values means here conditions we are writing in a first column first time, second column second value second time, third column third value third time it will be displayed. But how it is displayed means always in a where row num is a concept is there or not row num. Row num is a number already you have an idea or not previous classes. This row num we are passing in a where mod is a function, reminder based only. Mod is a function. When mod of row num comma 3, now here, yes, first row means 1, second row means 2, third row means 3, something is there. Yes, here each and these are 3 rows are there divided by 3 means here automatically that reminder based only that row it will be written. That is a beautiful entry questions. That's why logical concepts this one. So many interviewers why they are asking this question means these questions you are practicing means then you are a good professional really anything also you are achieving. Suppose here select, don't write it. Here I'm using a what a row num 1 by so now here yes 3 like this only you have an idea. Now here from dual this is division okay fine but I am writing a quotient select don't write it here mod of here row num 1 row and now here comma 3 like this only from dual a reminder observe it here reminder 1 reminder suppose here 2 I'm using means what is the reminder and now here yes now here reminder is what here 2 observe here again here just we are using a what 3 means here automatically 0 just logic observe 1 minute only. Whenever we are yes division by 3 if then okay row num based only if something is there here then one time is what 1 it will be returned 1 it will be returned something is there what is that one I will show you don't worry here 1 is equal to 1 I want only whenever okay so now 1 is equal to 1 condition is true then column 1 I want to display here 2 is equal to 2 I want to write okay so that is what is equal to means matching or not yes here when that condition is true column 2 I want to display Here 0. So now 0 is a remainder. Then column 3, I want to display only. And now check it out. Slowly observe it here. This is a logic. Observe it here first. I'm creating a table. Create table. Maybe you are telling what this one. Test is a table, for example. Here test is a what? A table. Now in this test table, I am creating column 1. Here in a character. Rows wise I am writing. Okay, now here varchar 2. Varchar 2 like this. Again here column 2. Here varchar 2 like this. Again here column 3. Here varchar 2 I am writing like this. Now check it out. These are the 3 columns. From table name, test. You are only telling all the logics. Okay. Yes, here this is one of the logic one. You are beyond vision. Now I try to insert a data. Insert into test. Otherwise 1, 2, 3 also just your own. 1, 2, 3 means you are confusing again remainder and all these things. That's why I'm taking like this. Here I want to insert into table name values A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, anything also I am writing. Okay, na? Yes, here, don't worry. Suppose here ampersand, sorry, single quote ampersand column 1, comma, single quotes ampersand column 2. Okay, na? Single quotes ampersand column 3. Okay, fine. For example, some values. Here I am writing a what? A, B, C, one row. Again A, B, C, D, E, F, I am writing. Again A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I am writing. G, H, I am writing. For example, just the idea for this. Now observe here, select star from. What is the table is there? Test is a table. Okay, now yes, here. Suppose A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I is there. Now I am writing. Logic you are only checking. Select. Now here, case I am writing only. Here, case. After case, second model I am interested. And now here, observe here, case. Here, when here, mod of this row num. Row num, you have written row num, comma. Here, I'm writing I want 3 rows are there. Division by 3. Here, that's remainder or not? Remainder is equal to 1. Remainder is 1. Then I want to display. So now here row num value, no, and of mod of row num, comma 3 is equal to 1 is there. Then first row A I want to display. Then here column 1 value A. Again, when mod of here row num, comma here 3 is equal to 2. So now his second value. Then here column 2 I want to display. When here mod of here comma is there, no, sorry, and now row num, comma here 3 is equal to 0. So now here remainder I'm telling no, here 3 comma 3 is a 0. So now here like this third row 0 like this only. Then one value is there or not? Yes, here. And now here 0, and now here then, and now here yes, here A, E, I want to display, no? And now here E is 0. Then here column 3 like this only. And now here yes, here just here. After that one end. So now we are using or not? Else I am not interested to use. Ene and now alias name. And now here diagonal, for example. And now here yes, from what is the table is there? Test is a table. Comma is there now. Here comma is there like this only. Yes, here observe here A, E, I, it will display or not? Yes. I want to print a diagonal. Then A, E, I, and now here yes, here. These type of logic. That's why you are good at what mod function. You are good at what row num. Just we are using a what that a logic only. So suppose your first row means which one? And now here row num is 1 means here 1 by 3 means remainder is 1. If remainder is a 1, then first column, first value. Automatically row num is a first column, first value or not? Yes, here. In a second column value here, second value. So now here second column, second value E. And now third column, third value. 0 is means then third column, third value. Like this only. And now suppose here first column, first value. Second column, second value. Third column, third row. So now here, yes, the observe here. Yes, first one, second one, and the third one. Like this A, E, I, it will be displayed or not? Yes, here. You are also writing a what here? G, E, F like this. How can I? Now you are only write it. That's why logic is very, 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 very important. Now here, write it. Print, sorry, write a query. Write a query which is used to print diagonal values from the following table by using case state. Firstly, write it by using case state. These are inter questions, very, very, very important. But knowledge is required, and also which one? Logic you are familiar, then only you are. Write it fastly. This one, this table. Just you have to check it out. It's very easy. That's why in olden days, first mod function is a what? A reminder, I'm telling you. Fastly, right? Same like a mathematics. That's why column values also were displayed. Write in this one. First create a table, then insert into values, then only decode and case differences. Here select state. Fastly write it some values. Rows are converted into columns. Means list tag function is there, otherwise pivot function is there. Fastly write it. Diagonal records, no. Diagonal values. Diagonal values means records. Okay, yeah. That's why practice is required. Databases. Finished up fast. Just you are practicing means you are also telling very easy. row number based this one. Okay, yeah. First row, second row is 2, third row is 3 row. Yeah. The reminder based I am writing. You are writing. Writing this output also. First row, first value, second row, second value, third row, third value, like this, that columns. Control goes to that value, no? Yeah. Row num is a row, not a column. Here, that value is their control. In that value, we are printing. Okay, na? Yes, up to this one is enough. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining this extension and also case and decode differences, pivot function and stack movement. Those all the things are important and conversions. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Current to PLS. Tomorrow I will tell you.